all hats off to the teachers, okay? I mean, there's no, the hard work that they put into that we have seen firsthand during the online classes. It's only during these classes that we came to know that teachers have done so much hard work. And believe me or not, my daughter is saying I'm better off at school than at home. Mama, I can't listen to what you're saying, kind of. So, you know, they cannot, now they cannot say the teacher is not teaching well or anything. No excuses, because we are seeing them do the hard work, all the hard work they have put into it.
School is giving more focused attention to the students' studies and as well as their career options. In fact, my daughter also studied in the school and she completed law 3 years back here in the 12th standard in the science stream. Now she is doing biomedical science in one of the reputed university in India.
Regarding the teaching, it's excellent, extraordinary teaching. Teachers are giving individual attention to students. And regarding the preparation for examination, it's absolutely excellent. A number of sample papers have been given to practice the children.
The school is highly disciplined and all the teachers are very good and very cooperative, and they take care of their students very well.
My child loves to come to school, and on the whole, my child is blessed to study here.
So, in fact, I am very much thankful for the management as well as for the school for the valuable support for giving more opportunity for students to learn more and more, especially on the focused mainstream subjects, and giving more opportunity for the career development.
All hats off, that's what I will say. And then I think the teachers should be actually, you know, given something special for the hard work. It was a difficult situation for them too, with their families also facing so many problems. But in spite of that, they took care of the kids in a very superb way. So I think that is the best thing that has happened, that at least I could understand the, the effort that the teachers have put in throughout the 2 years. That is only because of the online classes, otherwise I would not have come to know.
Today, what I view as a parent-teachers meet, it's not just a parent-teachers meet. Since we have taken up the part of parenting, parents met the parents. We are adopted parents. We all adopted as parents to the children as well as to the parents now, because we counsel them also. So in that way, parents met the adopted parents. So it is purely collaborative. We cannot work alone. Parents cannot work alone. We have to put together, work for the improvement of